So I'm just going to mark from the end of the canvas head. I'm just going to mark out 12 inches or 13 inches, okay? But I'm marking out 12 inches from my canvas head. There's a particular canvas that I use to take proper measurement, okay? So that you are not going to make any mistake. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put my mesh cap on my canvas head. Then I have to take the measurement of mine from front to nape. That's my own was 13 and a half. I'm using my own measurement, 13 and a half, okay? So the next one I'm going to input is my tempo to tempo, and I got 15, as you can see. So the next one I'm just going to put is, that's ear to ear, okay? And my ear to ear I got 12 inches, so it's not up to 12 inches. I have to shift the cap so that it will fit in, okay? And we take the measurement again, just as we're saying. So now I got the 12 inches I was looking for. I'm just going to mark it out. I'm just trying to, when I divided the 12 inches into two, I got 6. So I pinned down the 6 in the middle so that I'm not going to make mistake. That's just what I'm doing, okay? All these things is just for you to resize your cap to fit in the head properly. You don't even, if you resize your cap, you don't even need to put elastic band after you make your wig, because this wig is just going to be glueless. It's just going to match. It's just like when you do someone's measurement and make a particular thing. It's a custom wig cap, okay? I don't know if you get what I mean. It's just where a tailor took someone's measurements and made the clothes to fit in properly, okay? Now I'm just going to take my nape to nape, which I got 5, but I'm just going to divide the 5, and I'm just going to divide the 5, and I got 2.5, yes? So the 2.5, this is just what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it down to the half, and then the other side to the 1. Okay, that's 2.5. You can measure all through 5 inches at the back if you want, but I just want to divide, okay? Just keep watching this video for self-explanation, not much talk. Just as I was saying, you have to resize a wig cap, whether you are making the wig for a small child, whether you are making it for a toddler, or you are making it for an adult. You just have to resize your wig cap, okay? And make sure that it fits in your client's head if you are trying to step up your wig game, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is to sew down the left over. As you can see, the cap has a leftover, so I'm just going to sew it down. Keep watching so you see the next thing I did. Yes, that's the leftover of the cap. You see why it's important to resize your cap, because if you make a wig on this cap as it was, it's not really going to come out well. That's the situation you see a client wear the wig, and then some part of the neck, the wig cap is showing, and then when you try to come on fill in all the caps, the wig ends up being too heavy, okay? But if you resize the cap, it will better help you to make the wig correctly according to the client's head measurements. I really don't know how to explain, but I just hope you are grabbing what I'm saying, okay? Now I'm done pinning down the leftover, so I'm just going to sew it back. Okay, I'm just going to sew it back. You can use any method you like, invisible method, invisible sewing method, any method you like to sew it down, but just sew it down. Okay, anyway, is a way. Just sew down. So I'm just going to sew it down. When I'm done, we move over to the next one. I'm just going to sew down the left side. all, subscribe to my channel, follow my channel, follow my, whether it's on Facebook you saw this video, TikTok, anywhere, just make sure that you are following up so that if I'm upload from me, you get notified. Okay, so I'm just showing you I'm done sewing down the left over, the half left over. You can see I sew it down. You can decide to cut it from the back when you remove the knot, but I don't want to cut it. Okay, there's no need cutting it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put the measurements, the width guidelines. Okay, what I'm doing now is guideline. That's just what I'm doing. So this cap, I'm trying to make a French wig. This cap, okay, I'm making a French wig with this cap. So the measurements are put into my fringe cap. So your wig guideline should be based on what you want. Okay, so I do hope this video was very helpful. Please at this point press the like button. Okay, press the like button, share this video to your friend that is a wig maker. Okay, keep watching to see the after results of this wig. Okay, and make sure that you follow me so that when I make the fringe wig, I'm also going to post the tutorial. Okay, so make sure that you are following.
Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking to this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking to this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking to this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking to this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking to this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
So I wore the cap, okay, to see how it fits in my head, and you can see how it looks. It fits exactly my head. Okay, so when I make a wig with this cap, that means that the person that can wear this wig is someone that has the same head as mine. Yes, somehow. So if this video was very helpful, press the subscribe button, press the follow button, share this video, press the like button. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next one.